Hello, my name is Nate Quam. I'm a Research Station Manager with BASF. Today I'd like to welcome you to the Fowler Research Farm. This farm is located on the Eastern Corn Belt in Benton County, Indiana. In this farm we have about 320 acres of land and about 45,000 square feet of facilities. Primary initiatives at this farm would be development of novel new traits with the Trait Development Group, as well as developing and testing new germplasm with the BASF soybean breeding team. While these initiatives are of great importance, today we'd like to showcase a collaborative effort encompassing expertise and products from across BASF's broad portfolio. Today, you're going to meet the experts that work together to develop a trial that will showcase how BASF's products can be used in a crop systems approach to get the most out of every acre. With that, I'd like to turn things over to David Panzernack, BASF Seeds Agronomist, to tell you more.
Thank you, Nate. My name is David Panzernack. I'm a seed agronomist for BASF for the states of Indiana and Kentucky. And as Nate stated, we've got a management trial here at the Fowler, Indiana station, and it's focusing on managing soybeans to maximize yield. So we're comparing 3 different soybean systems. And we're also trying to bring together the expertise of seeds, seed treatment, and crop protection people from within BASF, and then also using the great station that Nate's managing here at the Fowler site. So what I do, I've got 2 different varieties in this high management trial, a 3.3 and a 3.7. And then I'm also looking at a couple different seeding rates, 120,000 seeds and 160,000 seeds. So again, that's my expertise, is looking at some of the basic agronomics and then also the seed side and look at all the different varieties and the different traits that BASF has to offer. Next, I'm going to introduce Jason Geiss. He's our seed treatment expert, and he's going to talk about seed treatments from the management trial and seed treatments in general.
I'm Jason Geiss, Seed Treatment Technical Field Representative for BASF, and I cover the Eastern Corn Belt. As Dave mentioned, we're excited to discuss a low, medium, high management trial that we're putting out here at the Fowler Research Farm. So part of that management strategy, we looked at different seed treatment offerings as well. So seed treatments, in my opinion, have quite a few different categories, and I'm going to kind of hit on a couple of those as we discuss these different management options. So on the low side, what we've got is a generic fungicide and insecticide. The fungicide consists of 2 active ingredients and a generic insecticide. As we ramp up into the medium, we've got our branded Obvious Plus as well as Poncho. So Obvious Plus is a 4-way fungicide. So we've got 4 active ingredients formulated into one product to provide better disease protection compared to some of the older generic chemistries, as well as provide some additional plant health benefits with that formulation. And then when I jump up into the high management trial, we've actually got the same 4-way fungicide as well as Poncho Votivo. So Votivo adds another category in seed treatments with biologicals. This is a biological nematicide that helps protect plants against nematodes. And then we've also added Olivo, which is our sudden death syndrome and soybean cyst nematode product. And it's still the only product on the market that protects against both sudden death syndrome and soybean cyst nematodes. And then lastly, in the high management trial, we've added inoculants. So we've got Volt IP Plus, which is our new soybean inoculant being launched this season. And that actually has a dual strain biofungicide with it as well, which helps extend the protection beyond what your hard chemistries will do on Fusarium and Rhizoc. And it also helps with nutrient uptake. And then that Rhizobia piece of the inoculant is going to bring your soybeans all of their nitrogen needs to maximize that yield potential of your soybeans. Now I'm going to hand it off to Gary Welker to discuss some of the crop protection products that we've used in this management trial.
All right, thanks, Jason. I'll try to wrap this up. So I've worked with Nathan and David and Jason in I guess a couple years now on doing plots here. And so this last part of the management strategy would be the pesticide part. And normally we would talk about herbicides and all that kind of stuff, but we kept that all constant. And so the only change that we made in this management practices would be the over-the-top fungicide. So it's untreated would be one category, and then Preaxor, which has been our standard soybean fungicide for many years, is the next one. And then the high one is our new fungicide, which would be Revitec, which is got the addition of the Revysol, which is the brand new active ingredient, and we also included Fastac as an insecticide. So that's kind of our biggest jump as far as the high management is concerned, would be the new fungicide Revitec, and then the addition of Fastac. And so we work really well together on these projects here. So we've always kind of done plantings together and herbicides together and stuff like that. So this team works really well together.